Welcome to Elmo's Kitchen, where the magic happens. Today we are whipping up a Sri Lankan classic fish cutlet. These little balls of fried goodness are a perfect snack or a great add-on for your rice. So here are the ingredients if you want to take a screenshot. And let's go and see how Amma made these perfect fish cutlets. First up, grab a can of your favorite fish and give it a good drain. Make sure to get rid of any pesky bones and skin and add some pepper and lime to give it that extra kick. Next, take 2 boiled potatoes and mash them up with a fork. Slice up some ginger and garlic and give them a good crush into a paste. And don't forget to chop up the onion, green chili, and the curry leaves. This dish definitely needs some serious flavors. Okay, now it's time to heat up some vegetable oil on medium heat and add some mustard seed. When those little guys start popping, throw in the onion and the ginger garlic paste and cook it until it turns a beautiful shade of brown. Then add in the curry leaves, green chili, pandan leaves, salt, turmeric, and chili flakes and let it all cook for a couple of minutes. Next, add the shredded fish. Cook it up for a couple of minutes and don't forget to remove the pandan leaves here. Then add the mashed potatoes, cook everything for a few more minutes, then let it cool down. And while that's happening, heat up a deep pan with a lot of oil on medium-high heat. And in one bowl, separate the egg yolk and white and beat the white until it's frothy. And get some breadcrumbs in another bowl. Okay, now the fun part begins. Take the cooled down fish mixture and roll them into small balls. Dip them in the egg white, then coat them in breadcrumbs. And finally, deep fry those bad boys for a few minutes until they are perfectly golden brown.
Look at this. You have to have ketchup. This is the Sri Lankan way. Oh my god. Mom, you're talking about.
And just like that, you had the tastiest, crispy fish cutlets straight from Mama's kitchen. Also, in the future, we are making a vegetarian version of these cutlets using jackfruit. So stay tuned with us. See you soon with another recipe.